So I've been glued to this one particular book this whole week. It's a non-fiction, and I thought I'll share my quick review with you guys. What if I told you there's a place where women lead every household, decide their own relationships and fate, and inheritance passes from mothers to daughters, a place untouched by patriarchy? That's what Chu Wai Hong discovers in the Kingdom of Women. This place is actually considered to be the Kingdom of Women. Chu, once a high powered corporate lawyer, leaves behind the rigid expectations of patriarchy, the constant gaslighting by the opposite gender, the constant pressure to fit into roles defined by men. She walks away from that world and finds herself in the remote mountains of Yunnan, in China, among the Mosu, one of the world's last matriarchal or matrilineal societies. Here, women are the heart of everything. Grandmothers run the household. Daughters inherit properties, and marriage, well, it doesn't exist the way we know it. Instead, they have what's called a walking marriage, where women choose their partners freely, to some extent polyamorous as well, without giving up their independence. Children belong to the mother's home, surrounded by a circle of love and care. Through Chu's eyes, we see what true freedom looks like, not rebellion, but balance. A world where women don't fight patriarchy because it simply doesn't exist there. What makes this book powerful is how personal it feels. Chu doesn't just observe the Mosu community. She lives with them, builds a home there, becomes godmother to their children, and experiences their tradition with genuine affection. Her writing is vivid, honest, and deeply moving. So, The Kingdom of Women isn't just about a hidden culture, it's about rediscovering what harmony between genders can look like. It's about a woman breaking free from patriarchy and finding herself in the quiet strength of other women. Quite an inspiring and an eye-opening book. So if you love reading such books, it's a non-fiction, so this book is recommended for all the non-fiction readers.